Student of class 6. Today we will start our first chapter. Every child is precious. Yesterday, first page means page number 11. I have explained you there are two figure and activities given there and description of this chapter. What is the description? Discussion about Kailash Satyarthi who received Nobel Peace Prize in December 2014, and especially he advocates of Indian children's rights, and he helped how many millions of young children to face, to overcome from this situation, and he inspire, motivates to follow the other two path also. Okay, so page number 12 we will study today. So let us start page number 12. Here one by one I am going to read, then after I will explain it, so listen carefully. It's just another normal day when everyone went about doing things according to daily routine. As the clock struck 3, Bibha looked at it and headed to the kitchen to warm food in the microwave. Bruno ran to the door expectantly as Vishal rang the doorbell. Vibha opened the door with a smile. How was the day, son? Vishal managed a faint smile and said, Good. It was good, Mom. He went straight to his room, put his bag on the study table, and sat down quietly in the armchair near the bed. What's the matter? Is something bothering you? Said Vibha in a concerned voice, as she came in and sat down on the edge of the bed. Now, up to here I will explain it. So listen. So in the by the figure you understand there is a figure check on the left side of your page. There is a figure. There is a lady named Vibha, and there is a boy, small boy named Vishal, and Bruno, who here is one pet dog is there, that is Bruno. So now starting, it was just another normal day when everyone went about doing things on their daily routine. Means that the day started, and means all the people they are busy in their routine. So same like Vibha also, she was busy in doing the things, household things, and the clock when the time was 3 o'clock, it means it was the returning time of Vishal from where? From school. Now she was waiting, and actually she was just warming food for Vishal in microwave. When there was the clock struck 3, now there was ringing of a bell, and now Vishal came. And actually the pet dog Bruno just ran towards the door, and after Vibha, the mother of Vishal, she opened the door with a smile and she asked, How was the day, son? And now, and in reply, Vishal, okay, he has not smiled too much, but a faint smile, he said, Okay, yes, ma'am, that was right. And after he, means Vishal, went towards his room and put the bag there on the study table and sat down quietly in the armchair. Okay, and after that he was a little bit nervous, depressed. This is the reason the mother Viva, she asked to his son Vishal, what is the matter? You are looking in worry. Anything problem? Any problem is there? She asked. She sat down next to him and she asked. Okay. Now next, what is there? Here, Vishal. Vishal looked at her thoughtfully and said, Mom, I am really lucky to be studying in a good school. You, Dad, and my teachers help me learn more and more each day. The other day you asked me what I would like to become when I grow up. What do I dream of doing in future? Viva held his hand and smiled. Of course, we want you to do well. Now up to here, listen carefully. So after Vishal was just thinking deeply, and after thinking, he said to his mom, I am very lucky. Really, I am very lucky to have like mom, like you, like dad, and my teachers. All they are helping each and every moment for. Really, I am very lucky. And after that, the other day, you are asking to me that what is your dream in future, what you will do in future. So, and after Vibha said, yes, Vibha means the mother, she smiled, she understood the feeling of her son. This is the reason she smiled, and she said quietly, confirmly, that definitely you will do better in future. Definitely you will do better in future. And after that, the mother Vibha, she smiled and has it hand, and yes, definitely, son, you will do. And after, well, today from, okay, so, well, today we had a special assembly in school to spread awareness against child labor. You remember the other day we were all so happy to read about Kailash Satyarthi being conferred the Nobel Peace Prize on the 10th of December 2014, along with Malala Yousafzai from Pakistan. Viva said, "Oh, yes, I do remember that. Mom, today, as a part of the program, we were shown the recording of Kailash Satyarthi's speech when he accepted the Nobel Peace Prize. Really, I am sure you listened to that carefully," said Biba. And after that, now Vishal, the boy, he said, "Yes, mom, definitely I will do in future, do good in future." And after he said, "Actually, mom, today in the morning assembly, there is a special assembly for us." What is a special assembly? He said, "Mom, it was a special assembly because of there is a awareness, special awareness program regarding which thing? Regarding child labor. And you remember that one day we have studied, we have know that what known related to Kailash Satyarthi, who was a Nobel Peace Prize winner on the 10th of December 2014. With whom? With Malala Yousafzai of Pakistan. And that is actually in the morning assembly we have understood his speech. Here, check. Yes, now mother said, yes, I understand. I remember that. So, mom, today we are organizing the part of the special assembly and the recording of Kailash Satyarthi after receiving Nobel Peace Prize. And he said what was the speech, what was the motto, purpose, really. And after that, mom said, yes, I understood, son. Really, you listened it very carefully because the speech is related to child labor. This is the reason mom and son, means Vibha and Vishal, both are really impressed by the speech of Kailash Satyarthi. And now page number 12 completed. Page number 13 we will do tomorrow. Okay, thanks. So listen carefully and now complete the word meaning in fair copy. There are only some word meanings are there, so complete the word meaning, and after that, when chapter is will over, then I will give you question answer. Okay, thanks.